Across Australian government, agencies are being asked to do more with less. The expectation is to deliver increasingly complex programs with greater transparency, security and accountability while staying firmly focused on what matters most, outcomes for citizens. But the reality is that project and portfolio information is still scattered across spreadsheets, SharePoint sites, legacy systems and disconnected tools. This fragmentation doesn't just create inefficiency, it erodes confidence, undermines oversight, and diverts time and taxpayer dollars away from the core business of government, delivery of services. Sensei GovReady was built specifically to help solve these issues for government organisations. It draws on our deep, hands-on public sector experience to create a purpose-built project portfolio and program management accelerator that results in a faster, lower risk path to trustworthy delivery. Sensei GovReady gives executives, PMOs and oversight bodies a clear, reliable view of what's being delivered, how it's tracking and where attention is needed. At Sensei, we're proud to be part of the solution because we know that when government has the right visibility, it can focus on what it's here to do. We've applied our years of experience to support government and how it actually works.
From a delivery perspective, Sensei GovReady is what happens when you have done this work enough times across government that you stop building them from scratch. Over the years, we have delivered project management solutions across multiple government agencies. And what you notice is that a lot of the same requirements keep coming up. So it's the same governance structures, the same compliance needs, the same reporting requirements, and the same expectations. So rather than rebuilding these things every time we get an engagement, we have pre-built them as accelerators. When an agency comes to us, we are not starting the process from scratch. We are not beginning with blank templates. We are not spending weeks or months in discovery trying to understand what they need. The groundwork is already done. We have already captured the patterns that are common across government delivery. And if you take things like audit trails, retention rules, risk frameworks, how benefits are captured and tracked, and approval workflows, these are not things that we are trying to figure out along the way. We already know what government agencies expect because we have delivered it before. So it is set up correctly from day one. It's not being retrofitted later when someone raises it in a governance committee. Sensei GovReady is not one fixed package, it's modular as well. It's a set of accelerators that you can stack based on what the agency needs. You might need 3, you might need 10. You take what's relevant, you leave what you don't need, and build from there. That flexibility is important because no two agencies operate the same way. The underlying requirements might be different, or the requirements might be the same, but the agencies might operate differently. Then on the technology side, it's all built on the Microsoft Power Platform. So it sits inside tools people are already using like Teams, Power BI, and Copilot. No one is learning a new system from scratch. They are working in an environment they already know, which means less friction, faster uptake, and faster time to value for the agency.
What our clients value most about Sensei GovReady is that many common public sector requirements are already taken care of. Governance structures, core registers, reporting foundations, and assurance controls are in place from the start. That means implementation doesn't get bogged down in rebuilding the basics. Instead, the focus shifts quickly to what's specific to your department or agency, your priorities, pain points, and the outcomes you need to demonstrate. Sensei has partnered with Australian government organisations at federal, state, and local levels since 2009, and our dedicated public sector team is security cleared, panel approved, and ready to engage with you from day one. From early conversations to structured exploratory sessions, our aim is to share our experience to help you make the best decision for your department or agency. For more information about Sensei GovReady, please get in touch. We look forward to speaking with you.